is the trip. Gates open, they're up and racing. Zing shows alertness at the start, moving up. Moonraker running by the rail just like it. Strong Friend comes next. In between runners, Pivotal, Robin Good. Then by the rail is Mokai and Royal Scepter. Past the last 900 just like it. Now in command by 3/4 of a length lead. Zing drops back in second. Running in third is Strong Friend. Then comes Pivotal as they race to the last 600. Just like it, Zing moving up on the outside once again, catching the lead as they race to the last 450. Zing now the leader, followed by Just Like It. Mokai pass approaching on the outside. Pivotal, Moonraker, Strong Friend, Royal Scepter closing in with the last 250. It's Zing leading the field. Mokai on the outside, Just Like It is by the rail. Strong Friend with the last 75 meters more to run. Zing, Mokai is on the outside, but Zing winning this race over Mokai. Third, Pivotal, Royal Scepter, and Just Like It for your Pentapecta.
Okay, crossing the wire.